At the supermarket conversation.
Hi, Emma. Is that you?
Hi, John. Yes, it's me.
How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you going?
I'm going to buy groceries.
Me too. I need vegetables.
Oh, what do you need?
Tomatoes, carrots, and some onions.
I also need tomatoes and onions.
We can shop together then.
Yes, that sounds fun.
Are the tomatoes fresh here?
Yes, they look very fresh today.
Great. I'll take 4 tomatoes.
I'll take 6. That should suffice.
Do you need bananas too?
Yes, a bunch would be good.
Oranges are on sale today.
Perfect. I'll take 3 oranges.
Me too. They are juicy.
Next, should we go to dairy?
Yes, milk and eggs are needed.
I also need cheese and butter.
Take cheddar cheese. It melts nicely.
Good idea. Unsalted butter also?
Yes, that's healthier for cooking.
How many eggs do you want?
1 carton should be enough today.
I'll take 2 cartons then.
Yogurt is discounted today. Should we buy?
Yes, plain yogurt is best.
Did we get everything on our list?
I think so. That's perfect.
Checkout looks short today. Lucky us.
Did you bring your membership card?
Yes, here it is.
Do you need a bag?
Paper bag, please. Plastic is not needed.
Your total is $48. How pay?
Card payment, please. Insert and confirm.
Done. Receipt needed?
Yes, thank you very much.
Want help carrying your bags?
No, I can manage. Thanks.
After this, coffee at the cafe?
Great idea. I'd love that.
I'm happy we met today here.
Me too. What a nice surprise.
Let's meet again next week.
Sure. Same time, same place.
Take care, Emma.
You too, Lil. Goodbye.
At the bus stop conversation.
Hi, Lily. Is that you?
Hi, Jack. Yes, it's me.
How are you today?
I'm okay. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, are you?
Yes, I'm going home.
How is your father, Lily?
He's not feeling very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
He has high blood pressure, so he feels tired.
That sounds serious. Is he resting?
Yes, he stays at home most of the time.
You take good care of him.
I try my best every day.
How about your mother?
She's fine. She's healthy and cheerful.
That's good to hear. My mother is fine too.
How is your father?
He had a small surgery recently. He's recovering now.
Oh, that must be stressful.
Yes, but he's slowly getting better at home.
I hope he recovers soon.
Thank you. How is your son?
He's doing well, but school is difficult.
Really? What is the problem?
He sometimes struggles with math.
I understand. My son struggles too.
Does he like school?
Yes, he enjoys playing with his friends.
That's nice. My son is the same.
How is your husband these days?
He's very busy at work and feels tired sometimes.
That must be hard.
Yes, but we support each other.
Support is very important.
Are you working now?
Yes, I work in sales. It's quite busy.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do, but the long hours are tiring.
I understand. Balancing work and family is difficult.
Sometimes I feel guilty about work.
I feel the same sometimes.
Do you have time for hobbies?
Not much. I sometimes read at night.
That's nice. What are you reading now?
A mystery novel. It's very exciting.
I love mystery books. Can you recommend one?
The Silent Night. It's very suspenseful.
That sounds interesting. I'll read it.
What about you? Any hobbies these days?
I started jogging early in the morning.
That's healthy. How do you feel?
I feel more energetic and less stressed.
I should try jogging too.
You should. It's very refreshing.
Did you watch the football match yesterday?
Yes, the last-minute goal was amazing.
I shouted so loudly.
It was exciting for everyone.
Sports make life more enjoyable.
Absolutely. Did your team win?
No, but it was a close game.
That's okay. Better luck next time. How are your friends these days?
They're busy, but we meet sometimes.
Same here. Life is busy now.
The bus is coming. Let's get ready.
Yes, let's get on together.
I'm happy we met today.
Me too. It was a nice surprise.
Let's meet again soon, maybe this weekend.
Sure. Coffee together sounds great.
Take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Inside the city bus conversation.
Hi. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is free. You can sit here.
Thank you. Where are you going?
I am going to the city center. And you?
Me too. I have some errands to do there.
Oh, nice. Did you book your seat?
Yes, I did. But someone was sleeping in my seat earlier.
Really? What did you do?
I didn't want to wake him up, so I just took another seat.
That's very thoughtful of you. Some people sleep deeply.
Yes, exactly. It's better not to disturb them.
True. Is it comfortable for you here?
It's okay. A little tight, but fine for a short ride.
I know. Some buses are a bit cramped.
Do you travel by bus often?
Yes, almost every day.
Really? That must be tiring sometimes.
Sometimes, yes, but I read or listen to music.
Oh, that's nice. I usually just look outside.
It helps pass the time, right?
Yes, sometimes I fall asleep too.
Me too, especially in morning buses.
Morning rides are always sleepy.
Do you have long commute today?
Not too long, about 30 minutes.
That's okay then. Mine is around 45 minutes.
Oh, that's a bit long, but I guess music helps.
Yes, I always carry headphones.
Good idea. Maybe I should start doing that too.
Definitely. It makes the ride more relaxing.
By the way, do you take this bus daily?
Yes, same time, every day.
It must feel good to know the schedule.
Yes, less stress that way.
I like meeting friendly people on the bus too.
Me too. Makes the ride enjoyable.
Oh, we are near my stop.
Okay, have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.